Today, we shall discuss on staying proactive and continuous learning in the context of business adaptability. In today's fast changing business landscape, companies that stay proactive and embrace continuous learning are better positioned to innovate, respond to disruptions, and maintain a competitive edge. First, we shall discuss on staying proactive, that is, anticipating change before it happens. Being proactive means anticipating trends, identifying potential risks, and preparing for opportunities before they arise. Businesses that proactively adapt can lead market transformations rather than react to them. Some of the key strategies for staying proactive are: first one, market trend analysis, constantly monitoring industry shifts and customer preferences. Second one is agile decision making by implementing flexible strategies that can pivot when needed. Third one is early adoption of emerging technologies by investing in AI, blockchain, or automation ahead of competitors. Fourth one is crisis preparedness and risk management, that is, having contingency plans for economic downturns, supply chain disruptions, or regulatory changes. For example, Reliance Jio's disruptive market entry. The proactive strategy they used were anticipated India's digital revolution and launched affordable 4G services in 2016 before their competitors. The impact was transformation the telecom industry, forcing major players like Airtel and Vodafone to revamp pricing and data plans. And the lessons were companies that proactively shape market trends can dominate industry rather than react to the change. Second concept would be continuous learning, that is through adapting knowledge and skill development. Continuous learning ensures that organizations and employees stay relevant, innovative, and ready for the future challenges. Some of the key strategies for continuous learnings are: first one, encourage employee upskilling by investing in digital learning platforms, certifications, and AI driven training. Second one, foster a learning oriented culture by encouraging experimentation, knowledge sharing, and leadership coaching. Third one, by leverage data driven insights like use of AI and analytics to improve business decision making. Fourth one is adapt to customer and market needs. Learn from the customer feedback and adapt business models accordingly. For example, Wipro's focus on continuous learning in the IT. Initiatives were they launched Wipro Holmes, an AI-driven automation platform training employees in cloud computing, AI, and cybersecurity. The impact was upskilled over 2 lakh employees, ensuring Wipro remained competitive in the digital IT service industry. And the lesson learned was companies that continuously invest in employee learning can sustain long-term success and innovation. Next concept is integrating of proactive and continuous learning for business adaptability. Businesses that combine proactive thinking with continuous learning can anticipate disruptions, adapt quickly, and drive innovation. For example, Tata Motors electric vehicle strategy. The proactive move was they anticipated the shift towards sustainable mobility and launched Tata Nexon EV before EV adoption surged in India. And the learnings were they invested in R&D and workforce training to develop battery technology and charging infrastructure. And the impact was it became India's market leader in EVs, outperforming global competitors like Hyundai and also MG. In conclusion, businesses that stay proactive and continuously learn can adapt, innovate, and lead in a dynamic market. Companies like Reliance Jio, Wipro, and Tata Motors demonstrates how anticipating change and fostering a learning culture will drive success. Next is how to stay proactive and learn continuously in the education industry. The education sector is evolving rapidly due to technological advancements, changing students' need and new learning methodologies. Institutions that stay proactive and foster continuous learning can adapt to digital transformation, skill-based education, and global learning trends. So, staying proactive means anticipating educational shift. Being proactive in education means predicting future learning needs, embracing EdTech innovations, and updating teaching methodologies before they become mainstream. Some of the key strategies for staying proactive are integrating technology early by adopting AI, AR or VR, and adaptive learning platforms. Secondly, skill based learning, shifting from traditional route learning to practical, industry relevant education. Third one is hybrid and online learning models by developing flexible online courses and blended learning environment. Fourth one is global collaboration, partnering with international universities and edtech firm for curriculum enhancement. For example, IIT Madras Online Degree Initiative. The proactive move was they anticipated the demand for flexible skill based education and launched India's first online BSc degree in data science and AI. And the impact was it provided affordable, high quality education to students worldwide, making higher education accessible and industry relevant. And the lesson learned was educational institutions that embrace digital transformation early can cater to modern learners effectively. Secondly, continuous learning, evolving with educational trends. Continuous learning ensures that educators, students, and institutions keep pace with emerging skills, teaching methodologies, and technological advancements. Some of the key strategies for continuous learning are faculty development programs, training teachers in digital tools, AI based teaching, and student engagement techniques. Next is EdTech integration using AI tutors, gamification, and personalized learning platforms. Next, industry aligned curriculum updating, syllabus by based on the job market trends and employer needs. Next, lifelong learning for students and professionals by offering micro credentials, online certifications, and executive education program. For example, Amity University's AI integrated learning. The initiative was they introduced AI driven adaptive learning system to personalize education for students. And the impact was increased student engagement and enhanced learning outcomes by tailoring content based on individual progress. And the lesson learned was institutions that continuously update their teaching methodologies stay ahead in delivering effective modern education. Next, we shall look into how combining proactivity and continuous learning will be important for educational adaptability. Educational institutions that combine foresight with ongoing skill development can create a future ready learning ecosystem. For instance, the Byju's revolutionizing EdTech in India. Proactive move was identified the rise of digital learning and developed interactive AI powered learning modules. Continuous learning approach was they updated content with AI based personalization, gamification, and global collaboration. And the impact was it became one of the world's largest edtech platform, shaping how millions of students learn. In conclusion, educational institutions that stay proactive and embrace continuous learning can prepare students for the future, empower educators, and lead innovations. Examples like IIT Madras, Amity University, and Byju's show how early adoption of trends and lifelong learning strategies can ensure success in the education industry.